Okay, let's run through how simple it is to create a web scrape. Well, let's start off by adding in the website we want to scrape. As you can see, it's checked that is the correct URL, and it's not, so I'll have to edit that. I'm just going to do this for 5 pages. I don't want it to scrape the entire website. Let's add a new scrape instruction. So we're going to get all the titles. And I'm going to add them to our data set. And then we're going to make another scrape instruction. Let's get the dates. And then let's get the links. And we're going to export Excel, CSV, and we'll get emailed when it's done. And I want to start right away, so there we go. And here is the results. As you can see, you have a title, some dates, and some links. And if I let it go, this would be a very large spreadsheet. Now the other option is to create the same scrape but using AI. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to create another scrape. Let's make this AI. Again, we'll just limit it to 5 pages. And we will target the same website. And again, we'll add a scrape instruction. And this time we'll use this option. So data scrape, we have to describe what we want, and we want an article title. There we go, articles again. The column name is title. And then we're going to add another scrape instruction. Article date. And then the final scrape instruction, article link. Now notice how I'm being descriptive on every one. And that's important because the AI is going to understand what you want. And we'll keep all the default settings just like last time. Here's the results for the AI scrape, and as you can see, something strange has gone on. We've only got 2 results, and that's because when I created the scrape, I asked for article title and article link. I didn't put in plural, and so it's only got the titles of the articles and not got the whole list when it was actually on the main pages. So to have done this properly, I should have put in article titles and article dates and article links, and I would have got everything. This is further described in the tutorials, and in fact this is an introduction to web scraping, and for more information you really should read through our documentation or online tutorials, and that goes into a lot greater detail. Well, I hope you found this introduction useful, and you can see how easy it is to get started.